got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story was different with me. God's plan, God's plan.
Alright, you guys, so let's get into this. So today I'm going to be using my OUTRE lace front wig in the style Monroe. Listen, this color, y'all know I've been wanting to do white. Listen, this is what I'm going for. So we're getting right into this. So first we want to cut our lace because we need to get that out the way in order for us to see how the wig is laying, if it's laying flat, what we need to do to alter the lace if we need to. So make sure you cut that lace, you guys. This is gonna be a challenge for me, this wig right here, because the hairline is so thick. The hair on top, like, it's too much hair on top. The hair is really, really thick and full, so you know it's gonna be a process. So I'm gonna explain some things, and some things I'm gonna just stay quiet on and let y'all watch me work, you know what I'm saying, and stuff like that. So at first I did want to do a middle part, and as you see here, I'm trying to flatten the top with my curling iron or my curling wand, and that clearly wasn't working. So I was like, okay, sis, like, you need to figure something else out, because this wig just looked like it's floating on your head, and we're not about to have that. One thing I will say about this wig, as far as like a review and stuff, the texture feels nice. The curls and the waves are really nice, and it just felt nice overall. But now I'm trying to pluck some of the front so that it doesn't look so dense. And I pluck with my bare Haitian hands, like my Haitian fingers. I don't got time for no tweezers, okay? Especially on synthetic wigs, for some reason the knots are tied way tighter than they are on, you know, virgin frontal hair wigs or closures. So they give me this little bit of lace, as you saw in the beginning when I showed you inside the wig, and the rest of it is pretty much tracked. So it's really a little bit of lace space to work with. So here I'm trying to straighten out my part a little bit, because yes, this wig is supposed to be worn in a side part, but I was trying to see if I could finesse it in the middle, and it just wasn't working for me. Like, I just wasn't seeing it come together and pull through. So you guys are going to see me go through, you know, mistakes and stuff like that, just to show you guys that it's not perfect. It takes time to work on these wigs. It takes time to finesse, okay? We can't rush the process. So here you're going to see me try to make baby hairs. And I did try to use a technique with going in with mousse, which is sometimes a good thing to do with the virgin hair wigs, but lesson learned, don't ever use mousse to try to do synthetic baby hairs. It's not going to work. So at this point, I'm trying to see if I can finesse with the sideburn, do some behind the ear and such and such. No, wasn't working for me. You're going to see me try to like model it and try to film myself. It just doesn't work. You need baby hairs. I was trying to see if I could finesse it without baby hairs, because I had makeup on. So when I was doing the baby hairs with the mousse, the wig got a little dirty. So you're going to see what I do to figure it out later. So yeah, I had to shift that wig a little bit, sis, because I had to put it on the side where it's meant to be, because that middle part was just not working for me, and because the lace was like hanging. Here's where I'm trying to film myself, and I'm just like, Abby, no. No matter how much you smize, no matter what angle you give them, this wig still looks a hot mess. No matter how high you raise that bang, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. No.
30 hertz straight up.
So here I'm like, okay, what can we do to make the wig better? So I took scissors and I cut them. Mind you, I couldn't find any good scissors. These were the only nail skinny scissors that I could find, but it worked out, so I'm glad about that. So I just cut each side. after cutting each side, I was like, okay, I see the vision. And I got hot, y'all. I got really hot. So here I'm taking off the makeup on my forehead because, like I said, that makeup was getting all over the baby hair. And I was wiping off the wig to make it clean again. And now we really finna get into some baby hair action because I learned with this wig, we really need baby hairs. So now you see me going back trying to make these baby hairs. So now I'm actually going to cut them and try to finesse them way better than I did before. I'm really going in right now. At this point, I'm like, this wig is not about to conquer me. This wig is not about to wear me. I'm about to wear the wig. Okay? So I'm going in with that Viva edge control. And I learned with synthetic wigs, a thick edge control base works better. So baby hairs overall take a lot of work. So now I'm seeing the wig come together, y'all. And I'm low-key like, okay, girl, we getting somewhere. Because mind you guys, I've been wanting to do white for a while, but I don't know how to get that color with my virgin hair, with my 613 hair. I've tried it, haven't worked. So I'm like, why not finesse the synthetic wig? Why not? Continue to watch me do that, you guys. And I mean, that's pretty much all for this video. I do have this wig in black. Comment down below if y'all want me to show y'all how it looks in black, just so y'all could get a peace of mind and stuff like that. Maybe I'll do that video, like a talk through, chit chat, get ready with me, or I could just do another transformation video with that wig. Let me know what you guys think down below. This wig is called Monroe. Again, if you want to purchase it, let me know down in the description. I'll put it on my website if it's in high demand, and I can ship that to you if you live anywhere other than Orlando. Also, one more thing. Yeah, I tried to do the bobby pin thing. Wasn't working out, so I just took it out. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. Love you guys so much. Thanks for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Mwah. All right, just kidding. I have one more thing to say. So there's this wig page called Wigs by Abby Nicole on Instagram that is scamming people out their money. People actually paid this person money thinking that they're going to get wigs from me, which they are not, because I only do my wig inquiries in my personal IG page at the Abby Nicole with 2 E's. My only other page that I have is Shop Abby Nicole with 1 E. So I apologize for the people that spent their money, but make sure you guys go report this page. Or if you want to, DM them, act like you want to get something, to send me screenshots to have more proof when I take it to the law. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. Love you.
Big head on the wheel.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Never been a part of that. I still got these quarters for the laundromat. Whatever you frontin', just know that it's coming back.